Hello everyone, this is CS Divesh Gowal, practicing company secretary from Delhi. I welcome all of you on my YouTube channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss a very new amendment, a very new, we can say, provision by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs that is relating to the physical verification of registered office by ROC. So this is our editorial number 794, which is going to be published on our website in next week. So if anyone wants the copy of the same, you can mention in the chat box. So the amendment is relating to the physical verification of registered office. As per the notification dated 18th August 2022, the Ministry of Corporate Affairs has issued the Companies Incorporation Third Amendment Rule 2022. And by this amendment rule, Ministry have introduced a new rule in the Incorporation Chapter Rule 25B, which is talking about physical verification of registered office of the company. Practically, this rule came into effect to complete the section 12 subsection 9 because section 12 subsection 9 जुलाई 2019 में नोटिफाई हुआ था और एज पर सेक्शन 12 सबसेक्शन 9 आरओसी को पावर दी गई थी मिनिस्ट्री हैव गिवन द पावर टू द आरओसी कि दे कैन डू द फिजिकल वेरिफिकेशन ऑफ द रजिस्टर्ड ऑफिस ऑफ द कंपनीज बट द प्रोसीजर वाज पेंडिंग so that procedure came by section 20 rule 25b so we can say because this is a dilemma in the professional and the corporate which we are seeing on the social media whether it will be applicable on the new incorporation, whether it will be applicable on the old incorporation, whether every new incorporation required to be verified by the ROC. So practically don't go for these rumors because this amendment in rule is nothing but an attempt to only to prescribe the procedure under section 12 subsection 9. तो ये amendment कोई नया amendment नहीं है, already section 12 subsection 9 is there under Companies Act. ये जो रूल आया है जस्ट उस सेक्शन 12 सबसेक्शन 9 की आगे का प्रोसीजर है तो वी कैन से दिस रूल ओनली प्रोवाइड दैट व्हेन द आरओसी हैज अ रीजनेबल कॉज टू बिलीव दैट द कंपनी इज नॉट कैरिंग द बिजनेस ओनली देन ही कैन डू द फिजिकल वेरिफिकेशन तो प्रैक्टिकली स्पीकिंग आरओसी सभी केसेस में फिजिकल वेरिफिकेशन नहीं करेगा आरओसी फिजिकल वेरिफिकेशन सिर्फ उस केस में करेगा व्हेन आरओसी इज हैविंग अ रीजनेबल कॉज टू बिलीव दैट कंपनी बिजनेस कैरी नहीं कर रही है तो उस पर्पस से we have created some situation as you can read on screen situation in which ROC can conduct the physical verification. So professionals के माइंड में जो डायलेमा है जो मुझे अपने व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप ज्ञान ग्रुप के थ्रू या गूगल ग्रुप्स के थ्रू अदर सोशल मीडिया ग्रुप्स के थ्रू जो क्वेरीज मिली है आई ट्राई टू कंबाइन देम और उनके बेस पे आई हैव क्रिएटेड दिस आंसर. So बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस आते हैं whether these rule applicable on the new incorporation, whether these rule shall be applicable on the old incorporation, whether ROC will conduct physical verification all registered office. So let's discuss कि rule 25B ROC कब effective करेगा. After reading of rule 25B with section 12 subsection 9, one can opine the following shall be situation when ROC can conduct the physical verification. Situation number 1. मैंने कुछ एग्जांपल्स दिए हैं. आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि जितनी सिचुएशन मैं डिस्कस कर रहा हूं इसके अलावा कोई सिचुएशन नहीं हो सकती. देयर मे बी मोर सिचुएशन बट दीज आर द वेरी कॉमन सिचुएशन व्हिच एवरी प्रोफेशनल एवरी कॉर्पोरेट शुड अवेयर. नाउ ROC received any complaint. If ROC receive any complaint against the registered office from the stakeholder, from the other authorities, then ROC can conduct the physical verification of the registered office of the company. Number 2, notice returned back. If ROC or RD have sent any notice to the company, any letter to the company at registered office, and it is returned back as undelivered because the registered office was not there, in such situation, definitely ROC can go for the physical verification of the registered office. Situation number 3. As per section 12 subsection 9 and rule 25B, if company has not filed the annual form, if company has not filed their AOC 4 MJD 7 for 2 to 3 years, then ROC is having a ground to believe that company is not carrying on any business. So if ROC having the ground that company is not carrying any business, then definitely ROC can go for the physical verification of the registered office. Situation number 4. Non-filing of declaration of commencement. As per section 248, it is specifically mentioned if company does not file a declaration of commencement of business in form 20A, in such situation ROC can take a view that company is not conducting any business, company is not carrying any business or operation. In such situation, definitely ROC can go for the physical verification of registered office. Situation number 5, if company have shifted the registered office or if company have incorporated the company but they have not mentioned the registered office address in the incorporation document, then within 30 days company have to file INC 22. If company fails to file INC 22, definitely ROC can take a view that company is not carrying the business, that company is not maintaining the registered office, and ROC can go for the physical verification of registered office. So these are the 5 common situations on which basis ROC can do the physical verification of the registered office. Now question arises, consequence of non-maintenance of registered office. So let me read the language of the law. Where the registered office of the company is found to not capable of receiving and acknowledge any communication notice, the ROC shall send a notice to the company and all the director of company to his intention to remove the name of the company. So अगर registered office maintain नहीं है, ROC can issue the notice for the strike off of the company. अब आता है ROC physical verification के लिए क्या process use करेगा? What shall be the process for physical verification by the ROC? Like ROC definitely must having any document of the registered office address of the company. ROC will carry such document and check the authenticity of such document when he visits the registered office. Take a photograph of the registered office of the company. Prepare a report of the physical verification. And report should contain the following details like scene of the company, latest address of the registered office, date of authorization letter issued by the ROC, name of ROC, date and time of visit for the physical verification, location detail along with the landmark, detail of the person if any available at the visit, remarks, documents attached. So all these information is required by the ROC in their report. So these all are the provisions for the physical verification of registered office. Don't go behind the rumors कि अब से ROC जो भी नई कंपनी बनेगी उसका रजिस्टर्ड ऑफिस वेरीफाई करेगा. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. जैसे पहले काम होता था वैसे ही आज भी होगा. बट हाँ, डेफिनेटली जो मैंने ग्राउंड बताया ऐसा कोई ग्राउंड होता है देन ROC definitely can go for the physical verification of the registered office. Hope by this video this concept is clear to you. If you still have any doubt, you can mention under the chat box. You can ask to us on the WhatsApp. If you like the content, please click on the like button. Please click on the subscribe button. As you know, the only motto of each and every video on our channel is the knowledge sharing. We don't have any other motto. We don't have any other, we can say, reason for this video. The only reason to help the professional fraternity, to help the ICSI, to help the ICI, to help the member of the professionals to increase their knowledge. Thank you so much.